Imagine you jump, spin, and wave your arms, and on a giant movie screen, a huge fire-breathing dragon jumps, spins, and waves its wings at the very same moment. It copies every wiggle of your body perfectly. How does a computer steal your moves and hand them to a creature that was never even real? Motion capture, or Mocap, is a way of recording exactly how a real body moves and copying it onto a computer character. It does not photograph your face or clothes. It only cares about movement, how you bend, turn, and step. Think of it like tracing your dance onto see-through paper. So how do we grab that movement? Remember the actor. First, they wear a tight suit dotted with little shiny balls called markers. Each marker sits on an important spot: a shoulder, an elbow, a knee. The markers are like glowing stickers that tell the cameras, "Watch me, I am the elbow." Now that the actor is covered in markers, we surround them with special cameras. These cameras form a big circle around the room and stare at the markers from every direction at once. Because they watch from many sides, they never lose sight of a dot, even when the actor spins around fast. But how do cameras see tiny balls? Each camera shines invisible infrared light into the room. The shiny markers bounce that light straight back, so on the camera's view they glow like bright little stars in a dark sky. Everything else stays dark, so only the dots stand out clearly. Here is the clever part. Because many cameras see the same dot from different sides, the computer can figure out exactly where that dot floats in space. It writes down 3 numbers for each marker: how far left, how high, and how deep. Those 3 numbers are the dot's address in the room. Now that every dot has an address, the computer connects them with lines, just like a dot-to-dot puzzle. Shoulder joins to elbow, elbow joins to wrist. Suddenly, the floating dots become a moving stick figure, a digital skeleton that copies the actor's pose exactly, bone by bone. Remember our stick figure skeleton. When the actor lifts a leg or waves an arm, the dots move, so the skeleton's bones move too, instantly. It is like a puppet whose strings are made of pure information. Whatever the actor does, the digital skeleton mirrors it a tiny fraction of a second later. Movement is not just arms and legs, so we put even tinier dots all over the actor's face, plus a small helmet camera pointing right at them. Now every smile, frown, and raised eyebrow is recorded too. The character will not just move like the actor, it will feel the same emotions. So we have a skeleton that moves and a face full of feelings. Next, artists build a colorful creature, say, our dragon, and slip it over the skeleton like a costume. Wherever a bone moves, the dragon's scales, muscles, and wings move with it. The empty skeleton is now hidden inside a living monster. But the raw data is not perfect. Sometimes a marker gets hidden, or a dot jumps and jitters. So cleanup artists smooth the shaky bits and fill the gaps, like erasing wobbly pencil lines. This careful polishing makes the dragon's motion look silky and believable instead of twitchy and robotic. Now that the motion is clean, it goes everywhere. Giant movie creatures, superheroes flying, and the athletes in your favorite video games all move using captured motion. Even doctors use it to study how patients walk. That real human movement is the secret sauce hiding inside so many things you watch and play. So do you always need a fancy suit and a room of cameras? Not anymore. Clever computer programs can now watch an ordinary video of you dancing and guess where your joints are, all by themselves. No dots, no special suit, just a phone camera and some very smart pattern spotting. This is the magic. Instead of animating every tiny wiggle by hand, artists borrow the real weight and rhythm of a living body. That is why a movie giant stomps like it truly weighs tons, and why a game hero runs like a real person. Motion capture is the bridge between our world and the make-believe one. So let's remember the journey. An actor wears a marked suit. A ring of cameras spots the glowing dots. The dots become numbers, the numbers become a skeleton, and a creature wraps around it. Real movement, borrowed and reused, brings imaginary characters to life. That is the wonder of motion capture.